Okay, welcome back to part 2, LAX to PDX. We are looking at the little nav map really quick. So I've got my flight plan laid in here. You can see my little airplane there from K at LAX, and our destination is going to be PDX in Portland. So what are we going to do here? I'm not sure that this map is working correctly. I'm spinning the mouse wheel the wrong way. You can see down here it says too many objects. There was a dock here that showed the plane going across here horizontally, I guess. And it had all kinds of errors, so I'm not even using that right now. You can turn that stuff on and off up here. But, so I don't know if my little nav map is working okay. So anyway, let's get it back down here. So when we take off, the plane will show up here, and we'll fly out this way a ways, and then let the autopilot take it over, and then it should be following this flight path to Portland. So let's go back to the sim and get started. Okay, it's going to be kind of strange taking off in the dark, because I like to be able to look out the windshield and see where I'm at, but for navigational flight, I want to be here. I want to just be focused on the dashboard. It just seems so bizarre to do that. So anyway, I am ready to go. We looked at the map. Let's go ahead and parking brake off, and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and I know throttle. I wish I'd go away. I know to hit the throttle. Let's go ahead and hit it right now. There we go. So we are heading down the runway. Don't have to listen to ATC, so I'm happy about that. Let's get this thing up in the air, and then we'll quickly get back in here and put the landing gear up and see what it's going to look like inside here. Pretty cool. Okay, I need to start lifting off. Oh, see, I'm coming out of the runway there. And the throttle kind of cuts down. I know I got to retract my landing gear, but I'm pulling back on the stick to get elevation here. So let's try to left-hand mouse this thing. Got her now. Oh, come on. Rid of that thing. So I noticed my compass has various lines. I think this bottom line needs to come up and join with that right in the middle. Navigation, I'm sure. I don't have lights up, do I? Yeah, I see some flashing lights. And you might be able to hear a jet going over right now. It's taking off from the airport here. So anyway, we are where we need to be. That will tell me down here, but I'm not sure if this is accurate. .310 knots, is that correct? Flight level 420. But I'm not to these, right? Yet. Let's hit legs 2. Okay, I need to here and see what's going on. It's the only way I can tell, really. Looks like we're doing all right. We're climbing, and I can see that in here too. I'm more used to seeing it out there on the screen, which I'd like to get rid of all this stuff, and I know how to do it, but my options don't give me the option to get rid of that. I don't know where they got it hidden now. So anyway, we're only doing this is our rate of climb, I'm sure. Because yeah, we're at 9,000 feet. So I think we can go ahead and hit the autopilot. But first, let's do LNAV, let's do VNAV, and we hear the engines immediately start to cut down, and autopilot. So those are both on. So now it should start to follow my flight plan, and my flight plan should be showing up on these screens. It's not doing that yet. Maybe it won't do that until I get to the ILS approach. Perhaps. I do not know. Okay, stupid. Okay, let's see where we're at here. Yep, we're heading towards our destination. It certainly would appear. So why don't we go take a look at a little map right now. Okay, as you can see, as I can see, I should say, we went out here a little ways. You can see the little trail, and now we're heading back, and we want to be getting on, basically onto this. So let's head back into the plane and watch and see if it'll start to turn in that direction. Well, it looks like we are flying level, so we have made our turn. That is cool. That's a cool shot. That might make a pretty nice thumbnail there. You can see the sun starting to come up in the southish area. Should be coming up over the east. Yeah, that's a cool shot right there. Anyway, big LA area. So why don't we just let the plane fly from here, and we'll come back in about half an hour or so. Here at the map, you can see our plane is not even halfway yet. I thought we were getting probably pretty close. But, 30 minutes is not very long. You're not able to get all the way there in 30 minutes, obviously, at the speed. So, down here. So this is reporting me to be 42,000 feet and 489 knots. Let's go check that back in the plane.